All right, guys, part 3. We started the plywood, the roof first, then we're gonna do the walls using some solid 3/4 inch plywood. No messing around. If this is gonna be a sauna, we wanna have as much insulation as possible. We're gonna do plywood after installation inside as well. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Wood on the roof is done. Now we're gonna put the paper and use the asphalt rolls to do the roof. And then we can start on the walls. So here's the roof, guys, done already with the heavy paper we used, the heaviest one available in Home Depot. We used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across to get it all covered. Now Mr. Roman's bringing us the asphalt rolls that we're gonna do some actual roofing. We also got the plywood done for the amount that we had. Same plywood used for the roof and the floor, heavy duty stuff, the thickest there was. So this is going to be where the door is. We didn't finish the inside wall full yet because we got to figure out how the stove is going to be set up in the inner door. Windows are going to go in this corner probably. Here we got the opening as well. And yeah, we'll do a little roof action in a minute, show you guys how that's coming along, and then we'll see when we get at the end of this. All right, guys, we're gonna start the roofing. We're actually gonna do a little quick video of how to do this, amateur way, to show you how we did it. It worked in the shuttle video just fine, so there's no reason it won't work this time. You're gonna need a torch and propane. You're gonna need an extinguisher, safety first. A little spackle to smooth out all the joints. Hammer if you see any, nails on the paper sticking out. And 2 people, one assistant, the other one doing the work. We'll show you how it's going in a minute. What's up, Roma? So we're starting off with the bottom portion first. We're doing 2 feet from the end here first. Roll this piece back up. The reason for this is so we get a secure hold here. Once we lay this down, then we're gonna roll all the way back up here and start from this end and work our way down. So Roman's gonna show you guys how it's done right now. So we're getting started. We wanna get the torch as hot as possible. As you see, we're not dressed appropriately, but it's a quick little project. Normally you do want to wear protective pants, the right boots and stuff. Basically what Roman's doing right now, I'm holding this for him so we don't set it on fire. 90-degree angle, run it across, heat it all up, and then you slowly roll over. If you want to hold it with your foot, I have somebody else doing it. As you see, you don't want that happening, but we're good. You're basically melting the rubber right now so it can stick to the roof. 90 degrees. You're slowly going to roll that out. As you see, this is why we have the paper there. If there was no paper, the plywood would be on fire right now. Rolled up once the other end was done, and now we're going to start working all the way down, and that's about it. So 90 degree, I'm holding the hose for Roman so we don't set anything on fire. Now with the heavier end, the roll is sitting on its own. You get about half a roll. Once it starts melting, after a few seconds, you keep going. Do wear appropriate boots and clothing, long pants to protect yourself, especially first time doing it. Alright guys, we're doing the second roll. So as you see, Roman's heating up the old one. We're overlapping that red line just slightly. We're working on a 90-degree angle. little section at a time. Melt that rubber and just roll it over and let it stick on. And that's it, little by little. Flatten this whole thing out. Just get it all up and just flap it right over. Show you guys really quick. Over here, you follow up where the seams are later with a smaller torch and a spackle and just smooth it all out to make sure it's a nice sealed connection. Looks pretty good right now, but we are gonna do a touch up. So yeah, we're gonna get the rest of this done and we'll show you guys the finished result. And that's the roof after it's all sealed up. We have a full video on how to do this, so check out my other videos. Now we're gonna do the edging. Alright guys, we got the roof finished up. Part 4 coming soon. Thank you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful for you. You got any questions, comments, let us know. Any experts out there that know any tips for everybody below, please comment. Why not? Give me a thumbs up. Please follow for more cool content. Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching.